All right, were you with us yesterday? We generated a business case in 3 minutes using GPT-4, outputting a Word doc, an Excel doc, and a PowerPoint doc. I forgot to mention that I was being listened to as I was presenting that, and I was being listened to by OpenAI Whisper. Let's have a look at OpenAI Whisper built into a Mac app. This one's called Mac Whisper. There's many like it. You don't have to use this particular one. There are many competitors, alternatives. It's listening to the audio file, creating this transcript, which is nothing super unusual, except that it's using current technology. We've got segments, but then we've also got this Chat GPT tab with some built-in prompts to help us out. So for example, we could improve grammar and punctuation. You see they've misspelled grammar there in the prompt, but it adds some nice paragraphs for us, makes doc and XLS capitals, for example. Let's try another one. We've got summarize here, summarize this transcript, just gives us an executive summary. You could change these prompts yourself and make them even better. What about this one? Create a mind map structure based on the content of this transcript. And GPT is going to think through a hierarchical outline or mind map of the entire presentation. Down the bottom, we've got a copy button. I'm just going to click that, copy out what GPT came up with, and I'm going to go and paste that into GPT, not into GPT-4 by itself, but into GPT-4 backed by plugins. This one's called Diagrams Show Me. I'm just going to paste that in there exactly as it gave it to me, and it gives us this output, which spits out into a full screen diagram. What do you think of that? Might be able to include that in your business case if you want. I don't think it's amazing. Let's go and grab another GPT plugin. This one, I'll uncheck Diagrams Show Me. This one is AI Diagrams, also does mind mapping. I'm going to paste in the exact same output that we got from OpenAI Whisper plus OpenAI ChatGPT, and we get this mind map in Whimsical. This is mind-blowing. I now get OpenAI Whisper to listen to my keynotes in real time and show this as well. Look at this, a beautiful mind map, thought up, conceptualized by AI based on our presentation yesterday on generating a business case from scratch. Totally cool. I'll attach the pings if you want to go and grab the image files, or you can even go and grab the manipulative file and edit it if you like. How cool is that? Once again, you're invited to join me in the memo, LifeArchitect.ai/memo. You're joining 10,000 plus subscribers in 142 countries. Everyone's in there. Halliburton's in there. Baidu's in there. Major governments that I'm probably not allowed to name are in there, and they get to see bleeding edge technology like this. As a side note, I was consulting to a very big institution in 2020, just before we did the Lita AI experiments, and they used something like this built into their video meets for their particular institution. I don't think I can name them. They were using GPT-3 back in 2020, and you've probably seen something like this built into Zoom. Maybe you've got some sort of plugin that comes into your Google Meet or your other video conferencing alternatives. This one is smart enough to listen to real-time audio, or you can feed it YouTube videos, and away it goes. I think that's incredible. Come and join me in the memo, lifearchitect.ai/memo. See you soon.
Did you see the memo about this?
Yeah, I have the memo right here.
Superintelligence is unfolding at lightning pace. Read my industry-grade analysis of AI that matters as it happens in plain English, the memo.
Yeah. Did you get that memo?
Yeah, I got the memo.
Get the inside look as AI models are embodied into humanoids. AI's IQ increases to nearly perfect, and bleeding-edge use cases expand to the entire world.
Yeah. Didn't you get that memo?
Editions are sent to subscribers at Fortune 500s, major governments, and people like you. LifeArchitect.ai/memo.
I have the memo.